Well, needless to say, it is one of the worst bushfire seasons down under. At least 25 people have been killed since the fires began last August. And more than 130 fires continue to rage across New South Wales and Victoria. As of 3 days ago, nearly 6 million hectares of land had been burnt. And since then, the flames have consumed much more. Almost 8 million hectares of land has been razed. And just to give you a sense of the scale, that's almost 100 times the size of Singapore. And on a regional scale, the total area of land destroyed would cover Singapore and rage beyond parts of Malaysia and Indonesia. The fires have also generated so much heat that they have been creating their own weather systems. And that's because as heat and moisture from the blazes rise up, it forms a cloud which can then turn into a thunderstorm. This in turn increases the risk of lightning strikes and more fires. And there's also further cause for concern. The bushfires have released a significant pulse of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And here's some background. Australia's total greenhouse gas footprint in 2018 stood at around 530 million tonnes. Well, NASA data shows that the fires in New South Wales alone have emitted almost 1/3 of that in just a few months, and it's essentially a vicious cycle. The more CO2 gets released, the warmer our planet gets, which ups the risk of bigger and deadlier fires. Now, the bushfire crisis has decimated local wildlife, and it is estimated that as many as 500 million animals have perished to the flames, while millions more have been displaced. But the somber news has also prompted a global outpouring of charity.